I'm Kylan. I'm Chloe. This is the Kiddo Show. We're making cake pop. It's like a cake, but it's on a lollipop stick. Wash your hands right before you cook. 1, 2, 3. I'm already done. 4. I'm already done. I was done before you. Now you have to crush them all up. I'm done. Most of it is outside. Next, we put caramel or to the lid. Now I'm mixing the caramel with the pound cake. I made a big one. Soccer ball size. I can make a soccer ball with all of these balls. You could try to make 9 of them. You just need probably 1 and that's it. No, just 3, 3, 3. That's all. So 3 threes? No, 3, 3. Oh, there's a 3 and a 3 and then a 3. What's that sound? The fridge. I have golden nut. Mama. And I have cocoa pudding. You grab the ball and then put it on the toppings. It's like candy. Lord knows, these ones are super sweet. Next, we have to put these in the fridge for 15 hours. First, we have to put these in the fridge for 15 minutes. First, you put all of the sticks into the tray. And then you'll put the balls on top of the sticks. On the sticks. No, on top of the sticks. On it. No. Look. I'm not gonna use this one. We use yours. Ooh, I made something cool. I built it. Let me eat this one. Start with this one. Yummy. This is how you make cake pop. Thank you. See you next time.